Sorry for the time lapse being stopped because I got a call and the phone stopped recording the time lapse. I couldn't see it because I was too busy fixing this chair. And when I'm already done, well, I need to do some finishing touches. That'll be done in part 4. Here, I'll show you how much and what all I have done to this chair. On the left corner, I filled this with plaster of Paris, and even on the right corner, this back foot, I reinforced it with an MDF piece, and the hole I filled it with plaster Paris. All of this will be hidden in the end material, all these cracks in between. The thing is, these filling I did is because when you used to sit, your thigh muscles used to pinch you, so it used to hurt really badly. So I had to fill it somehow. So I used plaster Paris because wood filler, I don't know where to get it at the moment because I'm shifted to this area new. So enjoy the video and thank you for watching my video. Please comment, subscribe, like, dislike, and share. Welcome to DIY with Ethy, and thank you.